Hello everyone, this is Elio from Digital Guides TV. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time that I haven't posted any video. I think my my previous video was like a year ago, and here I am seeing you once again. I missed you very much. And in this video, we're gonna talk about the Unclaimed AdSense payment via Western Union. Before we go to that process in claiming the unclaimed, before we go to that process, how we are able to claim a refund from AdSense payment, I just want to give you the overview or my story why we're not able to claim the AdSense payment from Western Union. Western Union is sent to my home country. Okay, take note that AdSense is sent to your home country where you applied for an AdSense partnership, and in my case it's in the Philippines. And since we're not in the Philippines right now, we're not able to claim that payment from AdSense via Western Union, because my default payment was through Western Union, so we're not able to claim that one. And the payment was sent to Western Union because I forgot to hold the amount. I put that on default, $100, and AdSense automatically send the payment if you reach that amount in your account. So in my case, it was already more than $100, and the payment was automatically sent to Western Union. But unfortunately, we're not able to claim it because we are out of the country, and my wife, the Western Union account, and the AdSense is named after my wife, so she's also not in the Philippines at the moment. That's why she couldn't claim it, and I tried it to claim it online to receive the payment. I tried it online to receive the Western Union payment through electronics transfer or receiving to our bank account in the Philippines, but it didn't go through because I think it has different code. I don't know what exactly is happening behind that one, but like for example, if you are sending payment to Western Union and you want to receive it into your bank account in the Philippines and just take the remittance or international remittance online as received fund, then sometimes it can go through. Like I experienced before, I was able to receive a Western Union money via coins.ph. I'm able to receive the Western Union payment from abroad going to my account in the Philippines in coins.ph. But at this time, Western Union payment from AdSense cannot be received in any Philippine bank online. So that's why I searched on how to claim the unclaimed Western Union payment from AdSense, and I stumbled upon this article that you have to go to Google itself, Google support, okay, and try to request for a refund. And in my case, I was able to contact Google's AdSense support, and I related my story, how come that I was not able, or we're not able to claim the Google AdSense payment via Western Union. So after a day or two, I received a message or email response from Google AdSense support, and they